Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be making croquembouche, or at least that's how I think you say it. I apologize for my pronunciation. Anyway, I'm going to be putting on these little bees and those really cool gold sails, and if you want to see how I made those, you can go and check out this tutorial in the right-hand corner. Basically what we're making is a cream puff tower that is held together with caramelized sugar. I made my cream puffs a little bit smaller than usual so that they would fit all nicely into the tower. I'm also adding a little bit of craquelin on top because I absolutely love making the cream puffs this way. It gives it a really beautiful crunch on the outside. It also keeps the shells nice and crisp on the outside, so when you're making that tower, it doesn't all flop. I've made these cream puffs before, so you can go ahead and check out my tutorial in the right-hand corner. I am going to just be filling these with whipping cream. That's the way I love to eat my cream puffs, but a lot of people also like to put in pastry cream in here, which would also be nice. The one error that is really glaring that I made with this tower is that I filled my cream puffs on the side. I should have filled it on the bottom so that none of the cream would be showing when I actually build my tower. So please, my sweeties, learn from my mistakes. We are going to heat this caramel to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and it won't look super golden or anything. It'll kind of be on the cusp between golden and clear, but don't worry because it will turn golden as the sugar cools. I do want to make note that I am using the recipe that how to cook that used for the caramel, so I will link that down in the description box below. I'm taking a non-stick baking mat here and just creating a cone out of it. You don't have to do it this way. You could just try to stack them as you go, but this way you create a really beautiful shape. Now, if you don't have a mat that is non-stick, you can easily use parchment that's kind of all rolled up with a little bit of poster board around it. Now what you do here is you make kind of a spun sugar look, and you do that by taking a fork and kind of whirling it around super quickly. The caramel hardens fairly quickly, and because you are working with cold cream inside of these puffs, you do want to unmold this as quickly as possible. Then I'm taking that spun sugar and just kind of looping it around. I actually was a little bit slow with moving that spun sugar, so you do want to be a little bit quicker so that things don't snap on you. Using that same caramelized sugar, I am using that to attach my golden sails and my little bees. And because the sugar is hardening fairly quickly, it's not melting anything. The cream puffs just snap off with that little bit of caramelized sugar on the outside, and they are absolutely fantastic. You must try this out for your next party. I think this would look beautiful at a garden gathering. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of this sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!